Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can build muscle over 50 with 3 simple steps. Now you might be thinking, is it really possible to pack on muscle at my age? You bet it is. We're going to break down some common misconceptions and equip you with the knowledge to build the physique you desire, regardless of your age. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about strength training. Strength training is not just about lifting weights. It's about building a foundation for a healthier, stronger you. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, the principles remain the same. This is absolutely paramount when it comes to building muscle, no matter your age. Strength training helps improve your muscle mass, bone density, and overall physical health. It's a key component in maintaining your independence and quality of life as you age. You see, when you lift weights, you're actually causing microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. These tiny tears are a natural part of the muscle building process. They might sound alarming, but they're actually a sign that your muscles are working hard and getting stronger. Now don't let that scare you. These micro tears are essential for muscle growth. When your body repairs these tears, it builds the muscle back stronger than before. This is how you gain strength and muscle mass over time. This is a good thing. It means your body is adapting to the stress you're putting on it, which is exactly what you want. The process of repairing these micro tears is what leads to muscle growth and increased strength. These micro tears signal to your body that it needs to repair and rebuild those fibers, making them bigger and stronger over time. This process is crucial for anyone looking to improve their physical fitness and overall health, making them bigger and stronger over time. This adaptation is what allows you to lift heavier weights and perform more challenging exercises as you progress in your strength training journey. This process is what we call muscle protein synthesis, or MPS for short. MPS is the mechanism by which your body repairs and builds muscle tissue. It's a continuous cycle of breakdown and repair that leads to muscle growth. The key here is to challenge your muscles consistently. Consistency is the cornerstone of any successful strength training program. Without it, your muscles won't receive the stimulus they need to grow and strengthen. Don't be afraid to push yourself. It's important to step out of your comfort zone and challenge your muscles with progressively heavier weights. This is how you continue to make gains and avoid plateaus. Choose weights that are challenging for you to lift for 8 to 12 repetitions. This rep range is ideal for building muscle and strength. If you can easily do more than 12 reps, it's time to increase the weight. If you can easily do more than 12 reps, it's time to increase the weight. This ensures that your muscles are always being challenged and forced to adapt. Compound exercises should be your bread and butter. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, making them highly efficient for building overall strength and muscle mass. We're talking squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses, and rows. These movements are fundamental to any strength training program and should be prioritized in your workouts. These movements work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to greater overall muscle growth and strength gains. They also help improve your coordination and balance, which are crucial as you age, leading to greater overall muscle growth and strength gains. The benefits of compound exercises extend beyond just muscle growth. They also enhance your functional fitness, making everyday activities easier and safer. Now, I know what you might be thinking. But Mike, I haven't lifted weights in years. It's natural to feel apprehensive about starting a new exercise routine, especially if it's been a while since you last worked out. Isn't it dangerous to start now? The truth is, it's never too late to start strength training. In fact, starting now can have profound benefits for your health and well-being. Listen, it's never too late to start reaping the benefits of strength training. Regardless of your age or fitness level, you can start today and begin to see improvements in your strength, mobility, and overall health. However, it's crucial to start slowly and gradually increase the weight and intensity as your body adapts. This approach helps prevent injuries and ensures that your body can handle the new demands you're placing on it. Don't try to be a hero on day one. It's important to listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels right for you. Starting with lighter weights and focusing on proper form will set you up for long-term success. Focus on proper form and technique before anything else. Remember, consistency is key. Proper form not only maximizes the effectiveness of your workouts but also minimizes the risk of injury. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, giving your body adequate rest between workouts to allow for muscle recovery and growth. This frequency is ideal for building strength without overtraining, giving your body adequate rest between workouts to allow for muscle recovery and growth. Rest days are just as important as workout days because they give your muscles time to repair and grow. And speaking of recovery, we'll delve into that in more detail in Chapter 3. Recovery is a critical component of any fitness program, and understanding how to optimize it will help you achieve your goals faster. But for now, just know that rest is just as important as the training itself. So take your time, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey to a stronger, healthier you. Let's talk about nutrition. Because you can't build a house without bricks, right? Just like a house needs bricks, your body needs the right nutrients to build muscle. Nutrition is the foundation of muscle growth, and without it, all your hard work in the gym won't yield the results you're aiming for. The same goes for your muscles. They need the right fuel to grow and become stronger. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about what you put into your body to support that growth. You need to provide your body with the right building blocks to support muscle growth, and that starts with protein. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle repair and growth. Without adequate protein intake, your muscles won't have the necessary materials to rebuild and grow after your workouts. Protein is crucial because it provides the amino acids your muscles need to repair and rebuild after those intense workouts we talked about. These amino acids are the building blocks of muscle tissue, and consuming enough protein ensures that your muscles can recover and grow stronger. Think of protein as the construction workers of your muscle building project. Just as construction workers need the right materials to build a house, your muscles need protein to grow. Without enough protein, your muscle building efforts will be hampered. How much protein do you need? Well, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. This means that if you weigh 180 pounds, you should aim for around 180 grams of protein per day. This amount ensures that your muscles have enough fuel to repair and grow, so if you weigh 180 pounds, you'd aim for around 180 grams of protein per day. This might seem like a lot, but it's achievable with the right planning and food choices. Now don't worry, you don't need to eat chicken breast and broccoli all day long. There are plenty of delicious and convenient ways to hit your protein goals. Variety is key to keeping your meals enjoyable and sustainable. There are plenty of delicious and convenient ways to hit your protein goals. You can incorporate a wide range of protein sources into your diet to keep things interesting and tasty. Lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, lentils, and even protein powders are all excellent sources. Each of these options provides a unique set of nutrients that can support your muscle growth and overall health. But it's not just about protein. While protein is essential, your body also needs a variety of other nutrients to function optimally and support muscle growth. You need a balanced diet that provides your body with all the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. This includes vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that play a role in muscle function and overall health. That means incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. These foods provide the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support muscle recovery and overall health. Think of your plate as a pie chart. This visual can help you ensure that you're getting a balanced intake of nutrients at each meal. Half of it should be filled with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. This balance ensures that you're getting a variety of nutrients to support your muscle growth and overall health. And don't forget about healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, including hormones that play a role in muscle growth. Hydration is also key. Water plays a vital role in muscle function and recovery, so make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day, especially around your workouts. Staying hydrated helps transport nutrients to your muscles and aids in recovery. In addition to water, consider incorporating other hydrating beverages like herbal teas or electrolyte drinks, especially if you're engaging in intense workouts. These can help replenish lost fluids and keep your muscles functioning optimally. Remember, nutrition is a crucial part of your muscle building journey. By providing your body with the right nutrients, you can maximize your gains and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. So fuel up, stay hydrated, and watch your muscles grow. We've talked about the importance of strength training and nutrition, but now let's discuss the often overlooked aspect of muscle building: rest and recovery. While it's easy to focus on the visible efforts of lifting weights and eating right, the invisible work happens when you allow your body to rest and recuperate. You see, muscles don't grow while you're working out, they grow while you're resting. This is a crucial point that many fitness enthusiasts tend to overlook. The time you spend outside the gym is just as important, if not more so, than the time you spend lifting weights or running. When you subject your body to strenuous activity like lifting weights, you're actually causing a certain degree of muscle damage, which is a good thing, remember? This micro damage to the muscle fibers is what triggers the body to start the repair process, making the muscles stronger and more resilient. But your body needs time to repair that damage and rebuild those muscle fibers stronger than before. This repair process is where the magic happens, transforming your hard work into visible gains. That's where rest comes in. Rest isn't just about taking a break, it's an active part of your muscle building strategy. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This might seem like a lot, but it's during this time that your body does most of its repair work. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Quality sleep means uninterrupted, deep sleep cycles that allow your body to fully engage in the repair and growth processes. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. This hormone plays a pivotal role in how effectively your muscles recover and grow. Without adequate sleep, your body can't produce enough growth hormone, which can hinder your progress. But it's not just about sleep. Rest also includes taking breaks between your workouts. You also need to give your muscles adequate rest between workouts. This means not pushing the same muscle groups to their limits day after day. You also need to give your muscles adequate rest between workouts. This means not pushing the same muscle groups to their limits day after day. Overworking your muscles without giving them time to recover can lead to injuries and setbacks. Don't train the same muscle group 2 days in a row. Allow at least 48 hours of rest before hitting the same muscles again. This gives your body the necessary time to repair and strengthen the muscles, making them ready for the next challenge. Allow at least 48 hours of rest before hitting the same muscles again. This practice not only helps in muscle recovery, but also in preventing overuse injuries that can derail your fitness journey. Active recovery is also beneficial. This doesn't mean you have to be completely inactive on your rest days. Engaging in light activities can actually aid in the recovery process. This involves engaging in light activities like walking, swimming, or stretching on your rest days. These activities help improve blood circulation, which in turn helps in delivering nutrients to your muscles and removing waste products. Active recovery helps improve blood flow to your muscles, reducing soreness and promoting recovery. It's a gentle way to keep your body moving without putting too much strain on your muscles. Don't underestimate the importance of managing stress. Stress management is another critical component of muscle recovery. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can actually break down muscle tissue. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can actually break down muscle tissue. High levels of cortisol can counteract your muscle-building efforts, making it harder to see progress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. These activities can help lower cortisol levels, allowing your body to focus on muscle repair and growth. And lastly, listen to your body. Your body is constantly giving you signals about what it needs. Pay attention to these signals to avoid overtraining and injuries. If you're feeling overly sore, fatigued, or experiencing any pain, don't hesitate to take an extra rest day or adjust your training accordingly. Remember, rest and recovery are not signs of weakness, but essential components of a strong, healthy, and sustainable fitness journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on staying fit and healthy at any age. See you next time.